Hi everyone, my name is Bruce Schwartz. I really appreciate you guys stopping by. There's that first city I had ever found in the Southern Highlands. Terminator line is there. The zoom is up on the left. See it, what that looks like zoomed up? And I'm going to show you a couple of areas because many people are telling me, well, zoom out, zoom in. Remember these two UFOs that I spotted? This is on the east side of the moon. As you can see on the right there, I got a circle up exactly where these supposed UFOs would have approached the moon, so we could see that the exact area. And notice how the moon is really tilted here. Watch this. Plato crater. Here's up on the moon, top right. That's where it is. Plato crater, smoke, clouds, color, you name it. The Terminator line right in the center. Look at all these towering objects. And on the bottom, also, you can see the colors on the surface. It's just absolutely incredible when that Terminator line moves on over. Here, south of Mare Serenatatis, a surface that I also love. See how the texturing is all different, but yet very similar. And of course, the deep greens and that massive cloud cover or smoke that's always over the surface. Watch this. This is recently seen on the bottom right there. The top right, you can see it's Aristarchus. That's where we are. But bottom right is the recent X-ray that I got a couple of days ago. That's the structuring around Aristarchus that we can see on the left there. And it's just absolutely amazing to be able to see that the surface is that way. It's almost astonishingly, it's unbelievable until you get in close. And even right now, we're really close. We can see the beginning of the colors. We can see a whole lot of detail and clouds and hazes. Slowing the footage down really shows you a lot more things too. Like we're going to go see some lights near the end of the video. Guys, must be hundreds of UFOs and lights blinking on the surface. This, surprisingly, the blinking lights, I'm surprised is not in the news, because it's just something astonishing that I found. I can't get over there not being a bigger stink than that over it. And wait till you see it in a bit. You guys are really going to be impressed. I know it. Those of you who haven't seen this. Actually, no one has seen that. What I'm going to show at the end with the lights, it's just a plume, okay, of UFOs. It's just absolutely incredible being able to see that and, no one reacting. Hey everyone, 3 more days and I'll be off for a couple of weeks during Christmas, meaning I'm going to get some good moon time in. The 22nd, they're announcing the full moon. And get this, the weather is scary. You know what? I don't even have any snow yet here. Just to say there's some accumulation on the grass, but I can completely see the grass, the roads, everything around me, which is rare because, listen, we're the 18th of December. I remember the 35 centimeters that I got on January 15th last year. I made a video of it because it was just so intensely fast, the accumulation of snow that I got, and that should be now, Look at the surface, guys. Look at how the craters are all made. Bridges, paths, lines, corridors, connections. They're all there, and this is constructed. It's right in front of us, but, we can't see it unless you really get close and try to alleviate and get rid of that darn haze. And this is what is over top of this beautiful surface. Of course, UFOs, clouds, smokes, or dusts. Either one, it doesn't matter. It's blocking our view. But the good news is that it rolls over. And now we're going to go see a bit later. These are lights that I've showed before, but I'm going to show you other lights here in X-ray vision. Now watch this object, okay? Could this be a cloud? Look what's appearing. A light on the bottom, a flash, a black bar there. Could that big black spot be the shadow of that big cloud, that white cloud that's right there? But what the heck is going around it? Is it going to be eaten That little object is gonna. It looks like it's like Pac-Man's running after a ghost there. You know, in the game Pac-Man, it's literally what we're looking at. We have no idea what's up there. It's just beautiful to be able to see it. It's the truth, raw truth, guys, right in front of you, and that's what you're looking at. These things are on the surface, okay? And you can clearly see they're very close. Other objects whizzing by all of the time. You know, it looks like, I don't know, let's say you die and you go to heaven. Seems to me on your way up, I don't know, maybe this is what we'd see, right? And say, uh-oh, this is going to spend the rest of eternity here. But anyways, they look like ghosts, right? There's so many things you could say. They look like storms, look like jellyfish ghosts. Look at the smoke trail coming out of the one on the bottom there. There's a smoke trail behind it. I don't get it, you know? Lines going to buildings on the surface of the moon with light sources. Dark rectangular area, cutout area, which there are a lot of dark areas. And this is where it is. It's that close to Copernicus. And, you know, this is a gray area. We don't see the surface, but now we can. It's the virtual surface. This was taken with the 14-inch telescope. Sinus Iridum and Bianchini crater. On the top right, you could see where we are. All these views just in that little circular area there. So, of course, you can't see it unless you're zoomed in. But when I zoomed in and found out all the structuring, platforms weren't the buildings, it's what's on top of it. There's even smaller structures on top of it, like you can see here. But hey, I'm saying smaller. Yeah, they're smaller than those platforms. But those platforms, some of them are like that bridge over top there, bridge-like platform is 43 kilometers. So some of these are really, really long. But on top of them, all these big objects structuring, who knows? They could be mechanical. There could be liquids going through there. It could be maybe even housing for the moon workers, the people working there or or living there. Who knows? Someone is visiting it. If we're seeing all this activity, UFOs too there, and even creature-like objects. Here's the part I really want to show you. Please pay attention. It's slowed down. We're in a haze on the surface, but it's thick enough to be a cloud. That's for sure, because it would have to be one hell of a haze, right, to produce this much smoke over the surface. Look at in the center. Look at how many times we see a triangular form. I'm not making this up. It's beautiful. The proof is beautiful. Keep watching in the center. And anyways, all around, there's other lights appearing right now. Dark points, dark spots, and there are also very bright spots. Keep watching in the center. You're going to flip out. Wait till you see. Look, there's another object coming from that UFO. Oh my gosh. There's too much to say here. Just watch, okay? Just watch the screen. Look in the center. Watch the lights that are about to appear. Whether they are appear. There we go. Black spots everywhere. Just riddled the whole page. Right now, center. All these lights are appearing right now. There, boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's so many lights appearing. That other UFO still going around. And what the heck are we looking at? We're looking at the surface with all this activity. Makes me laugh and almost mad when I see NASA post one video saying, oh, look, a meteor strike. Poof, a little puff of light. I just showed you about 30 puffs of light, okay? It's very real and it's simultaneous. Can you imagine that? Simultaneously 30 meteor strikes just hit the moon. No, they're not meteor strikes. They can't be.